How to get only the last part of a path in Python? In Python, suppose I have a path like this. How can I get just the folder part? You could do update 1. This approach works in case you give it. This gives xx.py as the base name, which is not what you want, I guess. So you could do this. Update 2, as Lars pointed out, making changes so as to accommodate trailing /.
Use os.path.normPath to strip off any trailing slashes. Then os.path.basename gives you the last part of the path. Using only basename gives everything after the last slash, which in this case is.
I was searching for a solution to get the last folder name where the file is located. I just used split 2 times to get the right part. It's not the question, but Google transferred me here.
Here is my approach.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.